Almost everyone has heard of Bitcoin, but what is it and why are people talking about it? Created in 2009 by the anonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin is the world's first cryptocurrency and was our introduction to blockchain technology. This decentralized, distributed ledger system has allowed Bitcoin to become more than just an anonymous, secure way to transfer digital currency. It's turned into a store of value. Bitcoin is leading the charge into a new era of finance that disrupts global markets and the status quo of centralization and focuses on giving power back to individuals through decentralization. Feared, despised, and outlawed by some, coveted, worshipped, and adopted as a national currency by others, Bitcoin, with its current $400 billion market cap, sits alone at the top of the cryptocurrency mountain. Let us know in the comments what you think about Bitcoin and follow us for more cryptocurrency content.